Hello dear friends, so in this video we will install the Anaconda Distribution. But first, why don't we talk a little bit about what Anaconda Distribution is and why the heck should we install it now? So, Anaconda Distribution is a distribution that includes Python and many tools that are used with Python. So this package includes many packages that we're going to need in the future of this course. So, especially if you're interested in data analysis in your career, many tools like Jupyter Notebook and Spider, they're going to come along with this distribution to help you. Now, installing the Anaconda distributor on our computer, we're also going to install the Python interpreter. So we can download Anaconda from Anaconda's website. So I'll just open up our browser and search Anaconda and Google. And just click on the link and open up Anaconda's website. And just click on the link. Click on and just click on the link. Click on and now we can choose the suitable download for our computer system. Of course, we should choose Windows. If our operating system is Windows, we should choose Mac OS. If our operating system is Mac OS. Now, we should choose the right package to download because if our computer's operating system is 64-bit, click on 64. If it's 32, then you're still going to want to click on 64. And start to install Anaconda on our computers. For Mac OS, choose Continue. Choose Continue. Choose Continue. Choose Continue. And choose Agree. And then we can choose the install location. So I suggest the default place, but you know, if you want to customize it, that's up to you. I'm not looking. Click Install. And this process takes about 5 minutes. And that's done, so click Continue. Now our installation's complete. All right, so this is the video that we learned how to install Anaconda Distribution onto our computer. So I want to see you in the next video. Until then, have a great day.